Hello, welcome to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you will remember this little beauty. This is the Emax Babyhawk R Pro. Yeah, I've still got it. It's still going strong. Not too sure if you can buy these anymore. This thing here is an absolute ripper of a little race quad. I have upgraded it to TBS Crossfire and put a Rush antenna on the back there. These are the standard props with an 850 underneath. I thought I'd bring it out and give her another run. Haven't flown for a while, and I do remember how much fun this is and how far I can go with the, I believe, 600mm VTX, but I could be wrong. We'll find out shortly. Emax, they make good gear, and this is certainly testament to that. Like I said, I've had this for a few years now, and it's still going strong without any problems whatsoever. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get going. Goggles are recording. A little whip of the ground. Like I said, this originally came out with XM Plus, but since upgraded to Crossfire. This is a nifty little unit too. I'll fly around here first. Power lines, yoink. I'll do a speed run over my head so you guys can see what I'm talking about. However, it'll probably deplete my battery pretty quickly. Oh, I'm not getting much life from this battery at all. It's only an 850. Goodness me, that hasn't lasted too long. Let's try and do a bit of floating around, guys, so we can stay out for just a little bit longer. I forgot how fast this thing depletes batteries. Get at least 5 minutes out of this thing. Really nice VTX on this. I'm facing the opposite direction, and you can see not really getting any break up or anything. And what have they done to the oval? Goodness me. It was green last week. Week. Alright, I think we better land. I'm not going to get too much more out of this. 14.3 volts. A bit disappointing how long this battery lasts for, but still. The Emax hasn't let me down. Lots of fun. Alright, let's bring it home. I can hear it beeping. Okay, let's land. There we have it, guys. The Emax. It lives. Need to invest in some new 850s. It didn't last very long, but a hell of a sturdy unit. Thank you. See you next time, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Emax. She is a beauty.